Hello everyone. Hello for all of these my supporters who are always watching my videos. Now I am practicing our culture. This is our culture and this is the way we speak in Indian accent. I just bought it one of my favorite idols from Spider-Man Far From Home, and I just watched it. It's very beautiful. It's very nice. I really recommend the one who become the actor for the Spider-Man. I just watched it a while ago, and that was very fantastic. But of course, if this taken in Bollywood, would be nicer. I am your Punjabi boy. I'm DJ Kokoy Martin from MR 1.1. But right now, no more Indian. No more Korean, but more on Indian right now because of your request. You've requested me a lot, so that is the reason why I am having this kind of opportunity of telling everyone that I know. They are also messaging me for more videos. Although I become more crazy because of this video, of course. As you see in my video, I bought new eyeglass. This eyeglass is very quite expensive because I can see different kind of animal. I can see different kind of insect. I can see different kind of plastic people around. If you bought this is only 150. I just put it in Oyanggorin for only 150. I can see everything if the person is not telling the truth. If the person is lying in front of you, because we don't know the reason why there are a lot of people also lying. They're lying if they wanted to lending a money and they are begging for you. And then after what, if you were collecting for the credit, they're gone, and it's so disgusting, bloody disgusting. So I have this is new watch. This is where I put everything of all of the creditors. I just put it there. I don't have any 5-6 no more lending, but I have this watch because I will put everything here so that I can remember. Because sometimes because of a lot of problem coming in our lives, we forgot to take note. So that is why I take note this watch. So every time I don't remember something, I just put it in my watch. So I watching it here. They are watching. The security guard is watching me. Why are you watching me? Why are you staring at me like that? Is there any problem? Is there any problem if I'm parking and I'm videoing here? No more problem with the guard. It's just the guard is staring at me, just like he just stare at me. It disgusting me. It destroyed me in my video. Thank you very much for all those watching me from United Arab Emirates, from my friends in Kuwait, from my friends in Pakistan, Pakistani and Dubai, and I know I have a lot of my friends there, and also they are working there. I have a lot of friends in OPPA. Thank you, OPPA. I know that it sounds very crazy, and sometimes they are saying that I'm overacting. But I don't have any problem anymore because sometimes I'm just doing this video because I just wanted everyone to be happy and no more problem for that. I don't believe, they are not giving money for me to make us other people happy, but I'm doing it because I know that sometimes it's very, you're far from your family, and you're working and sacrificing, and then all of a sudden you're alone and no one can make you happy. So that is why I'm here. Did I make you happy? Did I make you happy? Because there are a lot of people that do not understand the Korean, so that is why I'm shipping to Indian, because my English is very good. There's no wrong grammar in my video. If there is, a little bit only. And that is why I have some points in it. I just bought. This is Julebi. This is the other piece of Julebi. He's a beast. And then something like inside of this is what we call Prince Fries. The Prince Fries is very delicious. I just wanted to eat this like a chapati, but of course chapati circle and Prince Fries look like this. I love it. no Jollibee. In Kuwait, no Jollibee. Dubai, no Jollibee. Only here in the Philippines, the Jollibee is Big Eye. Did you see the base? The bay is a Big Eye. And aside from that, I also bought, because I am so very busy in my work as a DJ, so I prepared to have a chicken joy. This is very delicious, chicken joy. I will be eating this one. It's a gravy. This is what we call gravy. If you're just putting it in the chicken, and the chicken will become so delicious. So I eat it right now. This is the chicken. This is I bought it because it's very delicious. The chicken joy, and all of the people are just saying it's my favorite chicken joy. The chicken joy is very delicious actually. Namaste for everyone. For those who are not taking their lunch, their dinner, their breakfast, you have to eat this, because if you don't eat your breakfast, you will die. Okay, if you're working too hard, you're working for the company, and then the company is not giving you the right salary, you're gonna die because of depression, because of a lot of stress in life. So just, of course, treat yourself to eat. This is chicken joy. The chicken joy is very delicious. Hello everyone. I'm so very problematic right now. I only have this money. I don't have any money anymore. I go to all of this Hari store, and I'm riding with my bicycle. And after that, it's very awful. They is giving me 100 pesos. It's bloody disgusting. I don't have any money anymore. This is quite difficult. That is why I'm stopping my business for 5-6. No more bicycle till the end of time, because a lot of Filipinos are not paying their debt. They're so very crazy. They are begging you for money for lending, but of course, if you are collecting them, you only have 20 pesos and 100 pesos, and your gasoline is very expensive. And then after that, if you are house to house of them, riding with your bicycle, they only just give you 20 pesos. What a crazy, bloody, disgusting life is this? Are you crazy? Are you making fun of me? This is not good. That is why I quit for 5-6. No more 5-6 anymore. No more 5-6 anymore. I hate drugs. I hate drugs.